Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be going to survival craft, and I'm gonna be sorry about the ad. Sorry about that. So we're gonna be playing a venture map. So yeah, I can download venture maps, but we're gonna play Floppy Birds. Let me see how much we can get. Oh, damn. I'm pick easy. Ready? Flap. 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 Oh, got it. Oh no. So yeah, I got two. Yeah, I got two. So now, it's restarting the game. So yeah, I recommend downloading this app. It is really it's a really fun game. Well, not app like venture map for survival craft. So yeah. Oh, damn. So I keep on failing for some reason. So I always pick easy because it's easy. You know what I mean? So yeah, I might fail a lot. I'm sorry. So yeah. Oh damn! I missed it. So I'm gonna go to survival. Wait, there's no medium. So oh, this is easy. I survived. Hey, I survived. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the whole thing of this. Happy Birds created by. Oh yeah, I'm not sponsored by this, but check them out. Now I can read this. Okay. So yeah, I'm pause to look at this if you want. So yeah. So this is the tour video. We're not actually playing it, but if this gets over 2 views, yeah, 2 views, I will do a part 2 to this. And yeah, and say that I subscribed in the comments. So there's something here. Just tap to pause. So yeah, that's technically the tour, and yeah, this is where you can flap it. And yeah, if you want to check this out for yourself, you have to have survival craft, and yeah, I guess you have to buy it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy, if you did enjoy, like, and if you didn't enjoy, don't like, and subscribe if you're new, and comment if you like pizza, and peace out.